Hi, welcome to the Math Motivate Show, where we learn how to convert our negatives into positives. I'm your host, Professor Gabatza. I'm a professor in applied math, and today's show, like any other shows that are coming, require that you comment, let's have a conversation, let's have a dialogue, and let's have fruitful discussions. Consists of snippets of my book that is soon coming, entitled Ordering Your Way to Success, Lessons from the Number Line. Today, I will talk about the number line and how it relates to our human life and how to navigate life in each and every day's activities. If you love what I will be talking about, please comment NAL, meaning numbers are lovely. Please comment NAL, meaning numbers are lovely. When you hear or see something that you're familiar with, just shout out loud. Numbers are lovely, NAL. Maybe you're saying math is not my thing, or maybe there was a teacher that deflated you out of mathematics that you used to love. Maybe you have heard, like what I do often here, that maths is for the clever ones. Maybe you are one of those who have always thought maths is not part of what they should be doing in life. Today's show is actually for you. Maybe you've had people ask you, what would you do with maths in life? I know some have often asked, how is mathematics related to my daily life? Today and the days to come, let me take you through some journey. This journey will be an exciting journey. It will be an exhilarating journey, an informative journey, a journey that speaks to your success, where we will learn about numbers and the number line and how it relates to our lives. So let's talk about the number line. I know every one of you knows exactly, or you have a kind of a picture of what a number line looks like. It's basically a horizontal line that has got a 0 in the middle, some positive numbers on the right, and some negative numbers on the left. When I look at the number line, I look at basically two things. The first thing is that the positive side speaks of positivity and the negative side speaks of negativity. Did you know that every number has got a sign? Of course, you can see somebody writing a 2. Naturally, there should actually be a +2. And of course, a number on the negative side of the number line will be written with a negative. So every number that you see actually has a sign. I know some of you could be saying, aha, you can shout out, numbers are lovely, NAL. So every number has actually got a sign. And you know what this speaks about? This speaks to your identity as an individual. So every number speaks of an identity. You have a cultural identity. You have some gender. You have religious identities. And number lines speak of identity. Every number on the number line speaks of identity. Can I also just help you on one thing? Whenever you look at the number line, the numbers are basically arranged in some order. Say for instance, you start from 0 going to the right. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how you put your scale. So whenever you look at those particular numbers, numbers speak of order. So the number line speaks of order in somebody's life. So whenever you see a number line, think of an ordered life. Think of a life that is ordered one step after the other. You can order your life by learning from the number line. Certainly life is a step-by-step process. And everybody actually understands that seasons have been ordered and they remain the same. Human life follows some order. You are born a baby, you become a child, you become a teen, a young adult, an adult, you become old, and eventually you die of the stage. So life is ordered according to stages. And this is one thing that you can draw from the number line. Don't wish you were anywhere further than where you are. When you look at how the number line is, whenever it is written, it is well structured. And there is no way one can write 0, 1, 2 and jumps to 10 using the very same time step. So don't wish you were anywhere further than where you are. Don't wish you were older than your age. Don't wish you were more than what you are. Life is a step-by-step process. And this is what we learn from the number line. Learn to understand this as I conclude this particular session. That life is about dealing with the positives and dealing with the negatives. And in this particular instance, the number line tells us that life is basically ordered, so you can actually learn from the number line. In conclusion, my brother, my sister, thank you so much for listening through. I do not take your engagement lightly. Send me your comments on my Facebook page, even below this video, or through email. I would like to hear your comments. I would love to have a chat with you. I would love to hear some feedback. I want to see you in the next episode where we will talk about what do numbers say with regards to success and our well-being. Thank you so much.